What's going on, everyone? Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can live stream inside of your communities. Let's say you're running a coaching business or you're running an online course business and you meet your students every single week, which means you can hold those sessions live inside the group and engage all of your members. This feature also comes in really handy if you're running a sales team, for example, and you have a daily stand-up meeting. You want to get all your people inside that group and then communicate via that group over this particular video feature. Let me show you how you can do this. First, you need to make sure you log into your community, click on memberships on the left, communities at the top, click on groups, and then log into your group right here. Once you're in the group, you will see this button showing up which says go live. Click this button, then you will see a pop-up showing up that will ask you for permission. This is the browser asking, hey, can I use your camera and can I use your microphone? You will allow this twice for the mic and the camera, and then we can set different settings where, for example, on the left side here, we can choose where to post this live video once it's done. So click the drop down menu and you will see all of your channels. These channels you've previously created inside the group. Here we have announcements, coaching group 1, week 1 and week 2. Let's say we are going to post this into our coaching group number 1. And here you have the option to go live right now or schedule it for later. Then in the middle right here, you can turn on your camera as well as turn on your microphone. Then down here you have two options. One is the meeting room, what we're going to do today. So this is similar to Zoom or Google Meet, where you basically have a meeting room where other people can join. They can turn on their webcams, unmute and interact in real time with you. They can leave emojis, they can raise hands, they can interact via a live chat, very similar to Zoom. And on the left hand side, you can also choose to use it as a streaming software. A similar tool for this could be StreamYard, where you broadcast directly. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see here more settings showing up. So with the meeting room, we didn't have those settings apart from the camera and the microphone, and then keep the live stream as post and notify the members when you go live. But if you click on streaming software, you can see there's more details showing up right here. That's the streaming key and this is the server URL. So what you want to do is you just simply copy this server URL by clicking the copy button and this stream key by clicking the copy button right here and paste it into your streaming software settings. Okay. Once configured, you can start a broadcast in that particular software and it will stream live to your selected platforms automatically. But in this case, we're just going to do the meeting room as we want to stay inside of our community. So let's give it a title and also let's enter a description. Let's talk about online courses and coaching today. Okay. We want to keep the live stream as a post for people who maybe can't attend live but want to watch the replay later. And therefore we have selected the channel top left corner here to post it into the channel coaching group number 1. And then we also want to notify the members that we are going live, which will then send them in-app and push notifications inside the app if they hopefully have downloaded it to their phones. Once you're ready, you hit the go live button. Now, similar to Zoom, you will see participants. This is only me now. We can see top left corner, we are live. Let's turn on the audio as well as the video. Now, pop-up notification here, the meeting is being recorded. By continuing to be in the meeting, you are consenting to be recorded. Same as in Zoom, we are asking consent for the people to agree that they're being recorded in this meeting. If they disagree, they can click leave. If they agree, they can click continue. Down here, you see the participants, how many people are joining. Here on the chats, you can see the chat popping up on the right hand side. Let's leave a comment. And by the way, all of these comments inside this chat will later show up as a comment under the post when it gets stored inside the channel. Then let's click on react. Here you can see all the emojis showing up. Do I like what she's saying? Do I love it? Do I find it's funny? Do I celebrate or am I really angry? And also you can raise the hand like in a meeting. If you want to say something, just raise your hand and then the hand top left corner shows up so the host knows, okay, this person would like to ask a question, for example. And if you want to share your screen during the session, let's say you're holding a presentation, you want to share your screen in different tabs of your browser tab, for example, you click share. And then here you can select between, hey, do you want to select the Chrome tab? Do you want to only share the window or do you want to share your entire screen? And then you would hit share. Let's cancel for now. Then right here at the top right corner, you can also select the view. Do you want to only highlight the speaker? Click on speaker. If you want to highlight the gallery, which means everyone else in the meeting will also show up, you just click gallery. Then here in the top right corner, you also see those 3 dots. If you click pin, you would pin the speaker, the host of the meeting, at the top of everyone's screen. So if there's 20 people in the meeting, they will all show up down here and the speaker will show up at the top. Now let's say our meeting is finished. Let's click end session. Then it's asking again, hey, are you sure you want to end this session? Because maybe you've accidentally clicked on the button, but for now we want to end the session. And right here you can see it is already processing the recording. You can see right here, it is in the channel coaching group, which is the one here top left that we've selected earlier once we started the live video. Here you can see our title, our description. Let's refresh the page real quick. And here the video is already ready. We went live 3 minutes ago. Here you can see the comments. As I said earlier, these are the comments from the chat, which is really cool. And then you can interact those. You can hit play, watch the video, watch the replay. You can even choose to share. If you click the 3 buttons here, you can copy the link and then open it in a new browser tab. For example, if you wanted to share this with another friend who is also inside this community, then they will only see this particular live video without any other distractions or any other posts. Let's go back to the 3 dots. You can also report the post if you think it's spam and somebody posted something that goes against the community guidelines, for example. And you can click report posts, and then it asks you again, hey, are you sure you want to report the post? Hit confirm or cancel. Then you can also download the recording if you wanted to store it locally on your hard drive. If you're out of internet, for example, you want to catch the replay whilst traveling, then you can delete the post. You can move it to another channel. So let's do that. Here you can click the drop down menu and move it to week 1 basics, for example. Now it has changed to week 1 basics. And then also you can edit the post, meaning you can edit the title as well as the description. And then here you can add a GIF, an image, add another video, add a link, and so on and so forth, and then click update. Let's go back to the main part of the group because I want to show you, you can also click this button here and then the little video shows up in the bottom right corner. It will keep playing and you can keep scrolling inside the group whilst listening to the video and reading other posts. And this is how easily you can go live inside of your community groups and save a lot of money on outside software, which you don't need anymore. I hope you like this feature and I will see you in the next one. Want to learn more about this feature and many other features HighLevel has to offer? Make sure to check out our Content Army playlist on YouTube, as well as the Help Doc library, which is linked in the show notes below, and our amazing blog.